This KitchenAid 3.5 cup food chopper in Empire Red is designed for people who value efficiency, precision, and reliability in everyday kitchen tasks, and it succeeds by delivering a thoughtful balance of power, compact design, and versatility. Built by KitchenAid, a brand long associated with dependable kitchen appliances, this compact food chopper targets home cooks who want faster prep without sacrificing control or consistency. From chopping vegetables and herbs to creating smooth purees and emulsified sauces, this appliance proves that small countertop tools can still offer professional-grade performance when engineered correctly. One of the most immediately noticeable advantages of this food chopper is its compact footprint, which makes it ideal for modern kitchens where counter space is limited. The 3.5-cup work bowl is thoughtfully sized for daily meal prep, allowing users to process enough ingredients for sauces, dips, dressings, or side dishes without hauling out a bulky full-size food processor. Despite its smaller size, the unit feels solid and stable during operation, and the Empire Red finish adds a premium visual appeal that elevates the look of any countertop rather than cluttering it. This balance between form and function makes it especially attractive for users who want appliances that perform well while also complementing kitchen aesthetics. Performance is where this KitchenAid food chopper truly shines, particularly due to its stainless steel multi-purpose blade that locks securely into place. This locking mechanism is more than a convenience feature. It improves safety and ensures precise pouring without the blade shifting unexpectedly. Whether you are chopping onions, mincing garlic, or pureeing cooked vegetables for soups or baby food, the blade delivers consistent results with minimal effort. The two-speed settings combined with a pulse function provide excellent control, allowing you to switch seamlessly between coarse textures for salsas and pico de gallo or smooth finishes for hummus, sauces, and dressings. The inclusion of a drizzle basin is a standout feature that significantly expands the versatility of this food chopper. This design allows liquids such as oil, vinegar, or lemon juice to be added gradually while the machine is running, which is essential for creating properly emulsified sauces like mayonnaise, vinaigrettes, and creamy dressings. This feature alone positions the KitchenAid 3.5-cup food chopper as more than just a chopping tool, transforming it into a reliable solution for anyone who enjoys preparing fresh condiments at home. The ability to incorporate liquids evenly while processing helps achieve smoother textures and more balanced flavors, something that manual mixing often fails to accomplish. Ease of use is another strong point, making this food chopper accessible even for beginners. The controls are intuitive, clearly marked, and responsive, ensuring that users can operate the appliance confidently from the first use. The handle and pour spout on the work bowl make transferring ingredients clean and spill-free, which is especially useful when working with sauces or purees. Additionally, the dishwasher-safe components significantly reduce cleanup time, making this appliance particularly appealing for busy households or professionals who value efficiency during meal prep. Storage and maintenance further reinforce the practicality of this KitchenAid food chopper. Its lightweight construction and compact design allow it to be stored easily in cabinets or on shelves without requiring dedicated space. The integrated cord wrap is a small but impactful feature that keeps storage neat and prevents tangling, which is often overlooked in smaller appliances. Over time, these thoughtful design elements contribute to a smoother, more enjoyable user experience and reduce the friction that can discourage frequent use of kitchen gadgets. From a health and lifestyle perspective, this food chopper supports better eating habits by making fresh food preparation faster and more convenient. Chopping fruits and vegetables for salads, preparing homemade sauces without preservatives, or creating nutrient-rich purees becomes far less time-consuming, encouraging users to cook more meals at home. This aligns well with modern cooking trends that prioritize fresh ingredients, portion control, and customization. The ability to quickly prepare baby food is an added bonus for families, offering peace of mind by allowing full control over ingredients and textures. In terms of durability, the KitchenAid 3.5-cup food chopper feels built to last. The materials used in the bowl, blade, and motor housing convey quality, and the unit maintains stable performance even with frequent use. While it is not designed to replace a full-sized food processor for large batch cooking, it excels in its intended role as a daily use prep tool. Users who understand its purpose will find it to be a reliable and indispensable addition to their kitchen routine. When evaluating value for money, this food chopper stands out due to its versatility and brand reliability. It effectively bridges the gap between manual chopping and larger, more expensive processors, offering just enough power and functionality for everyday tasks. For individuals, couples, small families, or anyone who wants a quick prep solution without excessive complexity, this appliance delivers strong performance relative to its size and price point. Pros: the KitchenAid 3.5 cup food chopper offers excellent chopping and pureeing performance thanks to its stainless steel locking blade, intuitive 2-speed and pulse controls, and efficient motor. Its compact size, attractive Empire Red finish, and easy storage make it ideal for smaller kitchens, while the drizzled basin adds real value for sauce and dressing preparation. Dishwasher-safe parts and thoughtful design details such as the pour spout and cord wrap enhance convenience and encourage frequent use. Cons: the 3.5 cup capacity may feel limiting for users who frequently cook for larger groups or prefer batch meal prep, and it is not intended for heavy-duty processing tasks that require a full-size food processor. Additionally, those looking for advanced attachments or multiple blade options may find the feature set intentionally streamlined rather than expansive. Final verdict: the KitchenAid 3.5 cup food chopper, Empire Red, is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a compact, reliable, and versatile kitchen appliance that simplifies daily food prep without overwhelming the countertop. Its thoughtful design, consistent performance,